Hello everyone. My name is Lucky.
And I'm Lonnie. Hello.
This looks like a fun place. Am I right, Lani?
Yes. Everyone, can you guess where we are?
Starts with the letter S.
Can you guess? School.
That's right.
Lucky, how do you say school in Samoan?
School is aonga.
We love being at school.
But right now, we're not in the classroom. We're in the playground.
We love the playground. It's so much fun. We can run around and play.
Right now, we are having break from classwork. So we are allowed to go outside and play.
Do you know what our break times at school?
A school break can be also called recess or lunchtime.
But why do we need a school break?
We need to give our brain a little time off from thinking so much. Learning is fun, but it can be too much if we don't stop and have a break.
Yes. It's a good time to get up out of our chairs, go outside of the classrooms, and stretch our arms and legs.
We can even have a quick snack during our break time too.
That's right. Eating a healthy snack and drinking some water will also help us give more energy. Now, let's have a snack. Yum. Look, everyone, I have an apple. Yum. So sweet and crunchy.
Apple is apu.
What do you have, Lucky?
I have a banana. Fa'i. Banana.
Aww, that's so yummy too. We also need to drink lots of water too. Water is so good for us and keeps us hydrated.
Healthy snack like fruits and water can help us focus better in class too.
Does that mean it can help us make us smarter?
It sure can, Lani. But you must listen to the teachers and put a lot of effort in too.
I'm so happy we come to school and learn and have our break times.
Do you know how many days we come to school?
There's 7 days in a week, but we come to school 5 days.
Although learning is fun, students like us need to have a break and have the weekends off.
The weekend days are Saturdays and Sundays. Lucky, how do you say Saturday and Sunday in Samoan?
Saturday is aso to'nai and Sunday is aso sa.
Wow! I love weekends too. It's a great time to have a break from school and catch up with our family.
Today is Monday, or in Samoan, aso ngafua.
How do we say Tuesday in Samoan?
Aso lua, Tuesday.
How about Wednesday?
Aso lulu, Wednesday.
How about Thursday?
Aso tofi, Thursday.
And Friday?
Aso wharaile, Friday.
Wow! That's 5 days. 5 school days.
Have you noticed the word aso being repeated? It's because aso in Samoan means day.
And these 5 fun school days, we also enjoy playing with our friends.
And teachers who help us with everything we need to learn.
That's right. And speaking of teachers, how do you say teacher in Samoan?
Teacher in Samoan is whaiaonga.
Aww, we love our teachers. They are so great.
Look, there's our friend Jack. Hi, Jack.
Hi, Lucky. Hi, Lonnie. It's so nice to see you again.
Before we go and play with Jack, let's repeat all the words we learnt today. Let's start with Monday. That's aso ngafua.
Tuesday,
Aso lua,
Wednesday,
Aso lulu.
Thursday,
Aso tofi.
Friday.
Aso faraile.
Well done!
Again. Aso means day.
Got it! And the other words we learn't: water,
Vai.
school,
Haonga.
teacher.
Whaiaonga.
Don't forget our fruits: apple and banana.
Apu. Apple and whai. Banana.
Yes, but we need to hurry now. Break time is almost over. Let's go play with Jack.
See you again next time. Fa.
Bye!